Hello, this is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. Today I'm going to run, I think it's a 1983 Mercury 50 horse, 4-cylinder, dual carb, nice running condition, fresh water. It's a long shaft with remote. I have primed up the primer bulb. I've lifted the warm-up lever right here on the remote. When I turn the key, I'll push in after a couple seconds and that will choke the engine. So this is a cold start, has not been started in 18 hours or so. So here we go. Put the new color in motor. I'm going to bring the idle down somehow. Okay, it's down to an idle. Put it in gear. I can't rev it up in this tank. It'll blow right out of the tank. It does rev up strong. I can do that in neutral. This motor sat for a couple of years before I started working on it. So it has had 10 minutes of run time in that couple of years just since I worked on it, put new impeller in and adjusted everything out. Nice running Mercury engine. Like I said, roughly 1983. Very nice cosmetic condition. Remote control long shaft. Any questions? 855-313-3280. Thank you. Oh, might as well do a warm start for you. Just turn the key. Thanks again.